What we're going to talk about now is how to set up group products. Group products are the basically what it is it takes all the simple products that don't have dropship drop down items in them, and it basically groups them together like what we see on your current site. So, for example, we'll go into banners. And let's go ahead and take a look at the windshield banners. What we'll have here is you'll see one product. Let's try to find one that has more than one. So you can see here we've got three. Most likely we've got a couple little issues with what was brought in because this is probably S, A, and L, or vice versa. So what we'll need to do is still get Tigersheep to make sure that they get the correct naming convention put into the products and brought over. And we'll take a look at some of the inventory and why maybe the item is not in there. But in this particular case, you can see how they're grouped on the front end of the site. So all you'd have to do is, let's say you add a new product into SAP, those simple products, whether or not there's one product or if there's 100, they will all be brought into the system. And then what we have to do is then associate those 1 or 100 products into the one group product. So what we do is we go into Magento, go into Catalog, go into Manage Products, and then hit Add Product. At this time, you make the decision on what type of product we're going to be adding. You'll never be adding simple products because those products are the ones that are being brought over by SAP. What we'll want to do is we want to do a grouped product. And we'll go ahead and hit Continue. At this point, all the information needs to be filled in. So we've got name, description, short description, SKU, any of the items that have the little red mark there, those are the required ones. We've got no pricing because all the pricing is being brought in via the simple product. You've got some meta information, so meta title, keywords, description are important. At this point, we'd want to add an image as well. So we'd hit Browse, go into Pictures, add a picture or more, and then at that point, you just hit Upload. Uploads in, and you would set the base, the small, and the thumb. No need to do anything with design, gift options, or shipping. Inventory needs to be changed to in stock. You need to select which categories the item is going to be displayed in. Any related products to those as well. Making sure that you're only doing related products as grouped products or verified simple products that use the drop down, because otherwise they won't show up. And then you've got the associated products, and this is where you tie all of the products, the simple products, to the grouped ones. So you would then do a search. So for example, if in this particular case, let's take this item here, and what you could do is we could just search out items that are BN60300, and then we know that the rest of the items in there would be the ones that are associated with it. So in this particular case, we can go to SKU. It should search out, and here finds these 3 items. So we can click on those 3. And we're good to go. Then you hit Save, and it'll show up on the front end of the site. So I've already actually done the majority of the group products already, but if you have a new one, that's where we can, this is the process in actually getting it added to